Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Archon Forex. On today's episode, we are going to review our last week analysis, which is on GBPUSD, and do analysis on gold. So we should know what we are expecting. And so now, without wasting much of our time, let's go straight to the point, to the business of the day. Now, this is GBPUSD, yeah? This is GBPUSD. So first thing, let's go to daily time frame. This is on daily time frame. If you remember on my last video, I talked about this move that is currently happening here, that it will happen. So you should be looking for a sell that GBPUSD is moving up down to 1.23 thousand. So without saying much, as we can see, the trade is moving well. We are already about half of the move now. It's already moving about half of the move. So by next week, I'm anticipating that we should hit TP probably, and if not, maybe upper week sharp. So already in this trade, I've taken a partial profit of my trade, of my position, when it reached the half of this setup. So I've already taken partial profit of my positions. So if you also have your trade on it, I would advise you to also take your partial profits and put your trade in break-evens. So let's just wait for the other tips to move in our favors. So with that, so let's just do a little review on the trades. Now, this is it on daily time frame. Now, if you can see here, around here, there's a zone here. Talk about this zone last week. So even from last upper week, that's when we have been entering this position. That we have seen this move since upper last week. I think it was around here when I do the analysis and market drops down to this level. And by last week, I talked about when the price is currently around here. So I know the market will definitely go back up here and give us a retest. Then you should be expecting a down move. So that's what happens. Now let's move to 4 hours. On 4-hour time frame, there's nothing much to say since we already know that the market is moving to the downside. So this is it. This is a bearish move. This is a kind of consolidation around here, which is also as a cause of the support zone that was broken here. I'm doing a retest, then market move down. So I'm expecting more move. My price might move to this level. I move back up here to this level before continuing down. So don't panic if you see any move to this upside here. So that's why I said to this up here. So that's why I said you should put your trade in break even and take partial profits of your positions. So that's it. So nothing much to talk about on 4 hour, but before we leave GBPUSD, let's go to 1 hour. So you can see what else can we see here. So same thing applicable here. Market breaks this support here, we test and move down. So we might see a little retracement to the upside, then markets might then from there now move to the downside. So that's simply what I have here on GBPUSD. I'm still holding my positions. I'm not closing it yet. I'm still holding my position because according to my analysis, GBP is going to 1.23 thousand. So anyways, the market moves, we can't dictate for the market. Market do whatever it wanted to do before we react to it. So now, let's just see as it goes. I'm not being so let's say so adamant on my position that if I see any kind of retracement or any other pattern, maybe market is about to change, maybe it's not going to that 20,000 again and it's want to change. So I will not be adamant on it so that I won't change my bias. No. So in Forex trading, you have to have a skills of flexibility. So these are the keys of skill of flexibility I'm talking about. That if the market is not starting showing me a kind of reversal pattern that is not going to reach my 23,000, definitely I will close on my positions. But for now, I'm not seeing anything. I'm not seeing anything that the market might reverse. So I'm not seeing anything now. So I'm leaving my position to run. So without wasting much of our time, that's it on GBPUSD. So let's go to gold. So let's see what we have on gold. This is it on weekly time frame. On weekly time frame, as we can see, we have a up move, bullish trend. We all see the bullish trend from weekly time frame. Since we are having a bullish trend on weekly time frame, and our last week candle was a bullish engulfing candle. So what should we be expecting? Should be expecting a buy. Do you understand me? We should be expecting a buy. Now, on daily time frame, let's go. Daily time frame. As you can see, market moves up, moves up to this last high here and drops massively to this downside here. Drop massively here, serving as a retest to this little should I call it a range? Market break it out and then come here. We use this as a retest to it before moving. So let's say everything is in. So as this one serve as a retest, so we know that we are going for a buy. You understand? The market is moving and it has already been moving to the upside. So how do we now how can we join this move? If we want to enter this move, we should have enter around here, maybe from smaller time frame. But how can we still get our positions, our own entries? So now let's go to 4 hour. So 4 hour, this is nice move on 4 hour. Yeah. Now, this market is moving down here. It's an uptrend here. So now you see this move here. It's not really it's not giving me a proper trending move that I would have loved to trade with. Do you understand? That's the reason why I didn't even join this buy move in the first place. So now, since this is a downtrend and this is up, definitely is going up and it's breaking some highs. This high here, this high here, and this high here. So it's also break this last high here. Since we have already have a break of high here, what should we not be expecting from here? So from here on 4 hour, that's what I will say on 4 hour. Now on 1 hour, saying this on 1 hour, what should we be expecting on 1 hour? Now the trend shows we're here on a 1 hour time frame. So now so what should we be expecting? As I said, the market has broken this high here. So I would love this market to move to the upside a little bit and come back here to give me a retest, probably double bottom here. If I should see a double bottom around here, I'll gladly enter from here, around here, and move it to the upside. What I mean is something like this. What I mean is something like this. If this market moves to this up here, just move a little bit around here. My goal is the market should come back here. Give me a little bit of the bottom or kind of consolidations around here. So I'll be glad to enter this trade to the upside here. My first TP will be around here. My second TP will be around here. So that's what I'll be expecting on gold. Like first TP will be here, second TP will be here. So that's what I'll be expecting on gold. So nevertheless, I'm still patiently waiting for my entry. I'm not rushing anything. Patiently waiting for my entry. So if I can see a entry here, I will enter. But if this market just move up and doesn't give me any top bottom around here, I'll let it go. I will just leave it and let it go. You understand? I'll just leave it and let it go. So from here, I'll be waiting for my, let's say it comes to this level here, around here. So because if you look around here, You look here. This is looking like a head and shoulder pattern for us here. So markets respect it and move to the downside. So it might also do the same thing around here. If the market come to this level, and might also do the same thing on this level. So that is why I will be putting my TP 1 year. So if I put my TP 1 year and there is kind of the actions around here, which shows the market may reverse from here, I'll close on my position. You understand? But if I still have the opportunity to ride it to the up here, why not? I'll do it. So if that doesn't happen, if market doesn't give me the double bottom I want here, I'll be just let it go. Whatever that happens, if I see a sell signals around here, I might enter it from here because this move that goes up, that doesn't do any retest around here, market will definitely come back there again to do a retest, even though you want to go back to if you want to go back to up, to buy, you want to continue his buy move. If it doesn't do it here now and move to the up here, it will still come back down to do it before continuing its move. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So that's it on GBP, on gold, sorry, GBP. So that GBP on gold. That's it on gold. So waiting for it to happen then from here to the upside. Now, for our, go to 4 hour, please. So this market is looking more like a buy, like a nice buy. Like a nice buy. So that's what I'll be expecting here. If it doesn't happen, I've said that I'll be waiting for it. Kind of reactions around here. So if I'm seeing a sell reaction, I will close my position. I will enter to make sure the market come and do a test here before riding to the upside again. So without wasting much of our time, that's it on GB, on gold. That's my own predictions, my own analysis on gold. So please do not risk what you cannot afford to lose.